every time Steve Jobs takes the stage at the launch of an Apple new product announcement, he always without fail create a really big wow. Not only that everyone was looking forward to Apple's great new products, but everyone is also eager to see how he presents. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 tips on how Steve Jobs designed his presentation slides. Welcome to another episode of Amazing Sticky Presentation inspired by Sticky Spy, bringing you tips, ideas, design for better presentation, turning your ideas into lasting impressions. Hey again, Tiantek here from Sticky Spy. I'm a big fan of Steve Jobs' style of presentation. By watching his many keynote presentations and observe how he presented and designed his slides, I have learned many things from him. If you too have been watching Steve Jobs' keynote presentation, you will have noticed that his presentation slides are really engaging. They are simple and easy to understand. Everyone will have no problem following his presentation, and by the end of his presentation, you will be convinced that you want those new products he introduced. If you observe his presentation slide closely, you will realize 3 things that are really obvious in the design of his slides. Number 1, simple message. Steve always keeps the message in his slide very simple. Most of the time, only one-line message, or maybe a big number, sometimes a set of related numbers, but he always keeps things to the minimum. 100 million users, or iTunes in the clouds. And he then explains and elaborates on his message. Number 2, pictures and diagrams. Steve always uses pictures and illustrates more complex information using diagrams. This makes it easy for the audience to follow him as he explains specific technology and products offerings. Most people prefer seeing something visual as compared to reading too much text. Number 3, everything is big. All content in his slides is very visible. May it be text or pictures, everything is very big. That makes it very easy to look at. By making objects in his slide big, he ensures that the audience is relaxed during his presentation and is always agreeing with what he is presenting. Those 3 tips above were observed in all his keynote presentations. When you think about it, they all make sense. Simple message is easy to digest. That's good for presentation. Using pictures and illustration makes the presentation interesting. People like to see pictures. Making things on the slide big is fantastic. It makes the slide content highly visible. Excellent for presentation slides. Are you a fan of Steve Jobs' presentation style? And do you agree with my observations? Let me know in the comments below. It will be a good discussion. Until my next video, if you want to present like Steve Jobs, follow the above 3 tips when you design your next presentation slides. Bye-bye. Oh, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.